Step 1. Check if the shower threshold is level using a spirit level or straight edge. If necessary, adjust the threshold until it is perfectly level. Step 2. Use the positioning tool to mark the drilling points. Step 3. Drill a hole with a 6mm drill bit, insert the wall anchor, and secure the aluminum profile with a round head screw. Repeat steps to end 3 on the right side. Step 4. Install the top and bottom plastic pivot adapters onto the glass door. Then attach the top and bottom zinc alloy pivot bases, and secure them with 430mm flathead screws. Step 5. Engage the glass door with installed pivot bases onto the wall-mounted aluminum profile. Step 6. Adjust the glass door alignment, then install the bottom water guide. Step 7. Install the magnetic strip aluminum channel and the magnetic strip. Align the magnetic strip to match the height of the glass, then attach it to the door. Use a knife to trim any excess. Step 8. Adjust both sides to ensure there is no gap when the door is closed, then secure with 4 10mm screws. Step 9. Install the stainless steel handle securely. Step 10. Cut the bottom water guide to match the glass dimensions, then install it. Apply silicone sealant and allow 24 hours for it to fully cure before using the shower.